Jeff Vinopal. I'm from Austin, Wisconsin. Truck is a 1966 Ford H model. It's got a 1673 CAD engine in it with a 10-speed transmission. We had it right down to 2 frame rails, completely rebuilt it. There's 3 trucks in the truck for building it. We put a new air ride under it just to modernize it a little bit, and then between that and the exhaust we put on it, otherwise it's pretty much all original. Completely redid the interior, all headliner, and we're the second owner of it. We bought it from the original owner.
What did it do?
Hauled milk. Yep.
That's very Wisconsin.
Yep. Yep. He had 6 of them, and this was the last one that he bought. First 3 had 534 gas engines in them. He had 2 with 220 Cummins, and then they taught them into putting the CAD in this one, which is pretty rare to have a CAD engine in an early Ford like that. Not real common. He had painted it the green color, and we liked it, so we underneath like the emblems and stuff was real good paint yet. So then we just matched it up and repainted it how it was when we got it.
Wow.
Yep. It was originally red when it came out of the factory. We liked the green, and so we just kept it that color. So
did it mostly stay in Wisconsin, or did he deliver milk all over the place?
No, he went all over. Yep.
So he slept in that tiny little sleeper?
Yep. And it actually delivered milk quite locally too, but he was in Illinois and Kentucky with them. The company we bought it from, they're still in business today too. Get a lot of compliments on it.
Do you take it to many shows?
Yeah, we try to take it to a few local around here. It's been to 3 national shows. We had it to South Bend, Indiana, Auburn, Indiana, and then we had it to Des Moines. We have all Fords. This is the oldest one. I have a 69 also, W model. Newest one is a 91 CLT. Kind of partial to the Fords. And a lot of the parts we got off of it were off of C cabs, and because it's basically the same cab, and the wheel would be like where the fiberglass insert is on the H cab, and they just jacked it up. They put the bigger inline 6 engines in them, and it was Ford's first stab at a Class 8 truck.
So was it yours?
No, I drove it when it was a demonstrator for the Ford dealer in Madison, Wisconsin, where I'm from. I drove for Neuendorf, run Chicago every night. So anyway, they had it as a demonstrator, so I got to drive it as a demonstrator. Yeah. And Jack Platz went with me to Chicago. He was a Kaiser guy. So we got back to Brown's Corners with the restaurant, truck stop. And I'm standing in front of it. I'm pointing to that emblem and take a picture of me in front of it. So when he got it, I said, I know that truck. And I give him a picture. But anyway, he did a nice job. Everything is just right on it. You know, it's a very nice job.
It's just like the old Ford pickup. Yep, a lot of the same stuff. Actually, it's kind of helpful. Well, same as a seat cab. You find a nice seat cab, all the parts will interchange, or any Ford pickup from the 60s, a lot of the knobs and the jackets are all the same. So, I actually got some parts from LMC and stuff. Most of it, all our parts basically came out of seat cabs.
Built that exhaust for it?
Yeah.
It's hard to talk about that, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, originally it was mounted on the cab, and it had one of the bells that went over. But no, that's all that interior stuff. We locked out one time, and actually, that's not what came from. There was a seat cab in there, we had a sleeper on it.
That's an awkward place for the gauges.
Yeah.
Is that a radio?
Yep. The OAM. Yeah, that's how you. That's how you squirt your washer fluid. Yeah.